Yeah.
Yeah.
Overcharge. They're pretty high. Go away from this.
Finish the mob, please. Quick.
Good choke. If they push on here.
Okay, the hammer's gonna commit. Got a clump here.
Evans,
Silenced.
you in the back.
I've paged this.
I purged
This
it,
realm
but
can
here-
die here. This realm
Yeah.
can die.
Punish the realm. Why only one bruiser? Where's the second bruiser?
No, we're getting fucked in the back.
Yeah.
I got big Pierce on their front line.
Evanson,
Okay, I'm gonna help you to peel, guys.
Yeah, we're kind of fucked in the back here.
Come closer to me. Reset.
Help the back line. Help the back line then.
Just front to back, like.
Get
I
out
got
of the
Pierce
primer.
three.
But I've shouldered the
Pierce in
primer.
three.
Here.
Big Pierce.
Follow me.
Okay, they're carving to die,
keep pushing.
I'm chasing the carving.
I got two of them right here.
Carving will die.
Healer is
There's
silent.
another halberd in the back.
It's
needs
okay,
help.
it's okay. Just stabilize.
dead.
Don't die.
I got big Pierce.
I'm resetting soon.
realm can
Resetting
die.
now.
This is
Evanson.
Judy.
I have my record.
Don't
Oh,
die.
kill the
I'm on
predator,
dock.
kill the predator.
I'm on dock.
Kill the predator.
Healer is dock.
Kill the predator.
Dark Origin.
Water is dead.
Judy on me.
I need heal. Say hey.
Yeah, I'm hitting you.
Evanson,
Nice.
Big Pierce. Big Pierce.
Please.
Big
Reset
Pierce.
now.
This is silent.
Nice. Just kill this hammer.
Get the halberd.
The other guy's on this gate.
Get two of them. Silenced.
clean
I
sweep.
don't have mana.
Punish the. Oh fuck me.
I'm out of mana.
Same. I'm on halberd. Purging the
purges?
Hellion jacket.
Nice. Our Judy.
Nice.
Judy on me.
Halberd. Going halberd.
Halberd's dead.
Go,
I'm
I'm
going for the
piercing
healer,
healer
I'm
here.
going for the
I'm
healer,
piercing
I'm going
healer
for the
here.
I
Healer's
finally
I
piercing.
got three of them.
I can pop him.
I'm going to put
Come
the
on, come on.
halberd. Oh shit.
Get the healer, boys. Get the healer. Bruisers, go for
I have
the
no
healer.
mana.
Bloodred is coming back.
My Limhurst cape's coming up in 30 seconds.
Go the healer. Kill the
Healer.
Evanson,
Chase the
Nice.
healer. Yeah, put the-
I'm popping red spot here.
one ramp
Try
breaker
to-
behind. Be careful.
Yeah, I know. They're gonna keep coming if we're not gonna wipe them.
Oh my god. Fucking hell, guys.
Push southwest.
Judy on me.
Go southwest.
Watch out, if you die, you're gonna end up in a YouTube video.
Clean C.
Go southwest if you can. Go kite southwest. They're bringing more and more.
Yeah, I'm
we did-
probably gonna die
Right,
here.
why are you walking into them, man? You gotta go southwest.
No, I couldn't. Like, I had no mana, I had no abilities. Like, when I got stunned, silenced, didn't do anything.
Oh man.